Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to jump into Fishing Planet. And I'm going to show you guys a hotspot for bass and catfish at the same time. My setup is a... Wait a second. My setup is... For bass, jig winner 8-foot 10-inch, feeder forcer 6,000, and popper 1/2 ounce 2/0. And for the catfish, I'm using heavy chaser 9-10-foot sport and ambusher 9000 sport with 49-pound max drag. And if you want to, you can bring a float rod, but now you just cast straight out by these lilies. Cast straight out. So like right here. Right where this V is. Cast right under there. Then make sure your reel is on a 1 speed. And just reel it in, twitch, and pop it. And you will get lots of fish. That is all I have for you guys today. Please like and subscribe. See you again next time. And we have a fish on. I'm going to fight this fish on camera. You will catch lots and lots and lots of bass. Here. I forgot to tell you where we are. We are at Quantiton Lake. And our catfish rod is a DLC rod and reel. Looks like we have a nice bass. I'd like to catch a catfish for you guys, but... Okay, guys. And you'll catch lots of bass, but with this setup, you will not get that much XP from them, but you still get cash. And if you're a higher level, bring 2 catfish rods. The other one I would recommend is a bottom sniper. Bottom sniper with the Aspire double punch. Okay? That is all I have for you guys today. Bye.